Hi guys, this is Sasha again coming to you with another video. Today is Friday the 12th of June 2020, and guys, I just wanted to give you an update on what's happening with me with the MoneySMS app. So guys, as you know, MoneySMS is a worldwide app. It's an Android app that you can download to your Android device. And guys, it's super simple. All you have to do is simply download the app and receive text messages and you get passive income. It's as simple as that. So as long as you have an Android device, you just simply click on the link I'm going to leave for you in the description, put in my referral code and receive text messages and get paid passively. Now, in my last video, guys, I did mention to you that for some weird reason, I was not getting any text messages whatsoever. But I noticed from yesterday, interestingly, I don't know what happened, but yesterday I didn't do anything, but I noticed that I started receiving my SMS messages, which I should be, of course, receiving. And as you can see here, you can see I have received 0.04 euros in text messages. That's my recent update so far. And right now, in terms of referrals, I've earned 1.33 euros in referrals. So guys, it means that my app is working, everything is going fine. I am receiving text messages, and I said to you before, guys, once you download the app, you'll be receiving, I would say, about 2 text messages a day. And I've received 2 text messages. It's usually 0.02 euros that you get per message, and I've received 2 messages. So far I've gotten 0.04 euros because I've received 2 text messages, and this is what I've earned so far in terms of referrals, 1.33 euros. Isn't that fantastic, guys? So yes, my app is back on track. It is working. And of course, you guys know I'm a hustler. I am referring the app to others. And let me just show you, give you an update on the number of referrals that I have. Guys, I have been hustling. Now, let me let you know what is happening with my referrals. So guys, as you can see, up to now, to date, I have 70 confirmed referrals. As you can see, I have 70 confirmed referrals. And as I told you, you don't have to refer the app to anyone to make money with this, but you make more. Remember, whenever you refer the app to others, you earn 30% of your incomes, your referrals earnings. So you earn additional income, and that is an additional 30% is paid to you whenever your referrals make their withdrawals. So you see there, earn more. Please share your referral code with your friends and get paid 30% from their withdrawals. Your friends will also receive 0.25 euro bonus if they enter your referral code. So guys, you can go ahead, click on the link to download the app. I'm leaving it for you in the description below. My referral code is 459DF57A0. Once you put in my code, you're going to get your 50 cents bonus, guys. So definitely get with this app. It's free money, guys. It may be small, but it's absolutely free money. And definitely, if you want to find out how I am referring this app, I'm just simply sharing this on YouTube, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm definitely posting my ads, my link, my referral code. I'm sharing it on different social media platforms. I'm just sharing this app with as many persons on different platforms, on varying platforms, so that people will see my link and sign up. That's simply all I'm doing. So guys, get with me, get with a leader, sign up for MoneySMS, use my referral code 459DF57A0, and start making money today. So with that, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.